Good morning. Welcome to Sober Mornings on the Sober Joe YouTube channel. Today is July 16th, and we're going to read from the Just for Today Daily Reader from Narcotics Anonymous. This is about self-esteem. Deep inside, I had feelings of inadequacy and inferiority. Somewhere along the way, many of us developed strong feelings of inadequacy and inferiority. Deep inside was a voice that continually cried out, "You're worthless." Many of us learn to recognize this characteristic of low self-esteem very early in our recovery. Some of us may feel that our feelings of inferiority is where all our problems begin. Whether we learn this low self-esteem in our families or through our interactions with others, in NA we learn the tools for reclaiming ourselves. Building up our fractured self-esteem sometimes begins by simply accepting a service position. Or perhaps our phone begins to ring, and for the first time people are calling just to see how we are. They don't want anything from us, but just now reach out to help. Next we get a sponsor, someone who teaches us that we are worthwhile and believes in us until we can believe in ourselves. Our sponsor guides us through the 12 steps where we learn who we really are, not who we have built ourselves up or down to be. Low self-esteem doesn't go away overnight. Sometimes it takes years for us to really get in touch with ourselves. But with the help of other NA members who share our same feelings, by working these 12 steps, we blossom into individuals whom others, and most importantly, we ourselves respect. Just for today, I will remember that I am deserving of my higher power's love. I know that I'm a worthy human being. One of the things I heard early on, and I think is just so true in spite of its blitheness, is that if you want self-esteem, do esteemable things. And I think the program right away teaches us that. And very quickly we give ourselves reasons to regard ourselves a little better. We don't use or we don't drink. And when we lay our head down at the end of a day after that, that's a sense of accomplishment. We feel a little better about ourselves. Then we learn to perform service and we learn to help other people. That makes us feel a little bit better about ourselves. We start becoming more reliable, more dependable. We become better friends, better partners in relationships, better employees. All of those things contribute to us feeling a lot better about ourselves. And that, in fact, builds self-esteem. The other source is old beliefs that we carry around that we're not good enough or that we are inadequate in some way. And a lot of that heals over time and maybe takes some therapy and some trauma work. But, there's a way through it all. And I think just working the steps themselves are a good first step towards building self-esteem. My experience was when I came in, I realized how low my esteem was. And the reason I hadn't noticed that before is because I was always anesthetized. I was always high. I was always drunk. And so when I lost my partner, the bottle, and had to feel all those feelings raw, unanesthetized, it hurt. And I, for the first time, look at myself and realize how low my opinion of myself was and how low my self-esteem was. But gradually, again, through working these steps and the program and a lot of other work, my perception of myself changed, and I regard myself in much higher esteem than I did those years ago. Anyway, remember we do this one day at a time, and the best way to have a sober day is to start with a sober morning. So you're in the right place. Thanks for tuning in.